Question 31. What is the superclass of all exceptions in Java? Option A. Error. Option B. Throwable. Option C. Exception. Option D. Runtime exception. The correct answer is option B. Explanation. Throwable is the root of both error and exception classes. Question 32. Which keyword is used to generate an exception manually? Option A. Throw. Option B. Catch. Option C. Throws. Option D. Final. The correct answer is option A. Explanation. Throw is used to explicitly throw an exception. Subscribe our channel code Thinker11 for latest video and press bell button. Question 33. Which keyword is used to declare exceptions in a method signature? Option A. Throws. Option B. Throw. Option C. Catch. Option D. Try. The correct answer is option A. Explanation. Throws is used to declare possible exceptions a method may throw. Question 34. What type of exception must be either caught or declared? Option A. Checked. Option B. Unchecked. Option C. Runtime. Option D. Error. The correct answer is option A. Explanation. Checked exceptions must be handled explicitly using try, catch, or declared with throws. Question 35. Which of these is a checked exception? Option A. Null pointer exception. Option B. Arithmetic exception. Option C. IO exception. Option D. Array index out of bounds exception. The correct answer is option C. Explanation. IO exception is a checked exception. It must be handled or declared. Question 36. Which block is used to handle exceptions? Option A. Catch. Option B. Try. Option C. Throw. Option D. Error. The correct answer is option A. Explanation. Catch is used to handle exceptions that occur in the try block. Question 37. What is the purpose of the finally block in exception handling? Option A. Catch exceptions. Option B. Throw errors. Option C. Execute cleanup code. Option D. Exit program. The correct answer is option C. Explanation. The finally block executes whether or not an exception is thrown, usually for cleanup. Question 38. What will happen if an exception is not caught in a method? Option A. The program continues. Option B. The JVM halts the program. Option C. It will be ignored. Option D. The object is destroyed. The correct answer is option B. Explanation. Uncaught exceptions cause the JVM to terminate the program. Question 39. Which of the following is an unchecked exception? Option A. File not found exception. Option B. Class not found exception. Option C. SQL exception. Option D. Null pointer exception. The correct answer is option D. Explanation. Null pointer exception is a subclass of runtime exception, hence unchecked. Question 40. Which clause must follow a try block? Option A. Catch or finally. Option B. Throw. Option C. Return. Option D. Exit. The correct answer is option A. Explanation. A try block must be followed by at least one catch or finally block. Question 41. What happens if both catch and finally blocks have return statements? Option A. Compilation error. Option B. Runtime error. Option C. Finally's return is used. Option D. Catcher's return is used. The correct answer is option C. Explanation. If both have return statements, The one in finally is executed last and overrides others. Question 42. Which of the following is true about try-catch finally blocks? Option A. Finally is optional. Option B. Catch is mandatory. Option C. Try must come after catch. Option D. Finally must always execute. The correct answer is option D. Explanation. The finally block always executes, even if catch is absent or an exception is not thrown. Question 43. Can multiple catch blocks be used after a try block? Option A. No. Option B. Only if they are nested. Option C. Yes. Option D. Only one is allowed. The correct answer is option C. Explanation. You can have multiple catch blocks to handle different exception types. Question 44. Which class represents arithmetic errors like divide by 0? Option A. IO exception. Option B. Null pointer exception. Option C. Arithmetic exception. Option D. Runtime exception. The correct answer is option C. Explanation. Arithmetic exception is thrown for errors like division by 0. Question 45. Which of the following is a parent class of IO exception? Option A. Object. Option B. Exception. Option C. Runtime exception. Option D. Error. The correct answer is option B. Explanation. IO exception extends exception, which is a checked exception. Question 46. What does catch, exception E, do? Option A. Ignores all exceptions. Option B. Catches only runtime exceptions. Option C. Catches any exception derived from exception. Option D. Catches fatal errors. The correct answer is option C. Explanation. It catches any exception that is a subclass of exception. Question 47. What is the output if no exception occurs in try block? Option A. Catch block is executed. Option B. Finally block is skipped. Option C. Only try block runs. Option D. Try and finally blocks execute. The correct answer is option D. Explanation. If no exception is thrown, try block and finally block both are executed. Question 48. Which keyword is used to rethrow an exception in a catch block? Option A. Rethrow. Option B. Throw. Option C. Catch. Option D. Error. The correct answer is option B. Explanation. You can use throw to rethrow a caught exception. Question 49. What is the purpose of the throws clause? Option A. To handle an exception. Option B. To catch an error. Option C. To declare exceptions that might be thrown. Option D. To suppress warnings. The correct answer is option C. Explanation. Throws declares the types of exceptions a method might throw. Question 50. Which type of exception is thrown when an invalid array index is accessed? Option A. Index error. Option B. Out of bounds exception. Option C. Array index out of bounds exception. Option D. Range exception. The correct answer is option C. Explanation. Array index out of bounds exception is thrown when you access an invalid index in an array. Question 51. Can we use try catch without finally? Option A. No. Option B. Yes. Option C. Only if catch is empty. Option D. Only with static methods. The correct answer is option B. Explanation. A try block can be used with only catch, or with catch and finally, or with just finally. Question 52. What does try with resources handle automatically? Option A. Thread cleanup. Option B. Variable assignment. Option C. Auto closing of resources. Option D. File deletion. The correct answer is option C. Explanation. It auto-closes resources like streams, readers, etc. after use. Question 53. What is the correct order of catch blocks from top to bottom? Option A. Specific to general. Option B. General to specific. Option C. Doesn't matter. Option D. Alphabetical. The correct answer is option A. Explanation. Catch blocks must go from specific to general, else compile time error. Question 54. Which is not a subclass of runtime exception? Option A. Null pointer exception. Option B. Array index out of bounds exception. Option C. Illegal argument exception. Option D. IO exception. The correct answer is option D. Explanation. IO exception is a checked exception and not a runtime exception. Question 55. What happens if finally has an exception? Option A. It overrides previous exception. Option B. It is ignored. Option C. It logs only. Option D. It gets swallowed. The correct answer is option A. Explanation. If an exception occurs in finally, it overrides the original exception. Question 56. Can we catch multiple exceptions in one catch block? Option A. No. Option B. Yes. Using multi-catch. Option C. Only in Java 7+. Option D. B and C. The correct answer is option D. Explanation. Java 7 introduced multi-catch using, e.g., catch, IO exception, SQL exception e. Question 57. What will happen if a catch block throws an exception? Option A. JVM ignores it. Option B. It is lost. Option C. It can be caught outside. Option D. It logs only. The correct answer is option C. Explanation. The exception can propagate and be caught by outer try-catch blocks. Question 58. Is it possible to use multiple try blocks in a method? Option A. No. Option B. Yes. Option C. Only in static methods. Option D. Only one per class. The correct answer is option B. Explanation. You can use multiple try blocks, either nested or sequentially. Question 59. Can a finally block contain return statements? Option A. No. Option B. Yes. Option C. Only in loops. Option D. Only in constructors. The correct answer is option B. Explanation. Finally can have return statements, but they override others. Question 60. What is the purpose of exception handling? Option A. Terminate program. Option B. Skip code. Option C. Handle errors gracefully. Option D. Restart JVM. The correct answer is option C. Explanation. Exception handling allows the program to deal with unexpected situations without crashing.